This is a short little video on how I use Tradingview for my stock selection. Tradingview is free, and they also offer several paid tiers. The free layer allows you to have 3 indicators, and the paid allows you to have up to 5 and many more. If you decide to use Tradingview, one of the indicators would be zigzag indicator. The other one is zero lag MACD. And the third one is RSI. You can skip this one. This is an MACD as well, but it's more visual. That's why I have it. I'm allowed to have 5 indicators on a chart. But all you need is 3. And all we're going to use in this little demonstration is 3. Now this is a daily chart. Each bar is a day's trading. We're looking at Johnson & Johnson, and we're starting around September. As you can see, the zigzag is perfect. It always finds the tops and bottoms. The zigzag is perfect indicator. But to do that, it must look at 2 bars ahead. It can't change directions before 2 bars. And you can't take a trade unless you have 2 bars. So if I was using the MACD indicator, I would take trades. This looks like a upward momentum. When the zig is going up, I take the blue or green balls, but only if the blue or green balls are below the 0 line. And this one is, and this one is. And they both would have been winners. So with this one. Or you can take the red balls if they're above the 0 line. And there it is. You're going to take that as a minor, but I would be very careful about this because this is a strongly trended thing. But you could take a minor and win above, and you would have had a winner there too. You wouldn't take this one because it's not above the 0 line. And then I love the RSI indicator. And how I use it is if it's above the 70 and starting to come back below the 70, and we've had a regime change, the zigzag went a different way. In the last 4 bars, I can take the trade. So, right here, and we haven't had a regime change. We would not take that. Above the 70, regime change, 2 bars, we'd take it. Regime change, 2 bars, we'd take it. Wouldn't take this one. There's no regime change. And you wouldn't take this one. The minor zig is green. But you would take this one. And it would be very, very nice trade. Likewise for long trades. The RSI is below the 30. It starts coming back around above it. You look for the zigzag indicator. It's green. You would take this trade, and that would be a beautiful trade. Likewise, this trade here would be a beautiful trade too, all the way to the moon. So each morning, I scan for the stocks. I have a watch list, and I can go quickly down through it. Now, let's take a look at this. Right here, we have, it looks like a bottom. And on Friday, it looked like things were coming more positive. The RSI is below the 30. Ooh, I like that. It needs to come above it, and it might just come above it on Monday. So let's put this on our watch list for Monday for buy based on the RSI indicator. Also, the MACD looks like it's about to cross over. If the bar is up, MACD would cross over and you'll get a little blue dot there. So Johnson & Johnson might be a buy tomorrow. So we could scan the stocks rather quickly. Zigzag is not undecided. Still undecided. Still down. Zigzag is it's definitely thinking it's red. It's definitely think it's red. Definitely get up. It's not having any indecision. Now here, CRM, Salesforce, there is an indecision. And you have to watch for tomorrow to see if the RSI comes around above the 30 or the MACD crosses. It could be a buy tomorrow. We don't know. Let's see what the market has in store for us. So you can go pretty quickly through a watch list and look for a valid zigzag or whether the zigzag is still deciding what to do. And that's good. You want to anticipate. You look at the RSI coming above or below the 30 and 70. And when that happens and the zigzag changes regime, that's a good sign that you might have a strong single. You could do the same thing with the MACD. Take a single on that as well. Same rule. So let's take a look. Let's look back at Johnson & Johnson. And we'll look only at the RSI, and we're looking to go short, and we would see how many winners we have and losers. RSI is above, coming back around. You could take that, and you would have had a winner over the next few bars. Here, zigzag changes, and you would have had a nice short and a winner. It's 2 winners. Definitely there. RSI, coming back down. Yes, we had a winner here and down. And you have the RSI coming down below. But you would not take this because you have a minor green and a major green. Wouldn't take that. Now you have a minor red, and you would take that, and that would be a nice winner. And you don't have any more short signals. I lost count, but that was about 4 or 5 winners and really no losers. Let's do the longs. RSI crosses over 2 bars after the regime change. That's a nice long run. RSI there, minor green, go. Winner, that's 2 winners. Minor green, short winner, or you can wait and have a longer winner, but I'm going to claim a win for that as well. 3, this is definitely a long one. Definitely a very long one. And you could have taken that one, because that's a minor green, and you would have had probably a loser on your hands on that one, because it reversed itself after 2 days. You probably would have had a loser. So it looks like about 4 or 5 winners and 1 loser. I could do something with that. So I use 3 indicators: zigzag, MACD, and RSI. I primarily showed you the RSI, but you could do the same thing with the MACD. So I hope this helps. I hope you consider using Tradingview. It's a free program, and you can do the same thing visually. You don't need to have a whole lot of programming or use somebody's signals, or it's looking for advice on social media. You can do and plan out your trades yourself. Please annotate your questions down below. Like and subscribe. Catch you next time.